All right, boys and girls, good morning, good afternoon, and or good evening. As you all know, I'm Mr. AC, and I'm going to show you or remind you how to access Google Classroom with this video tutorial. Ms. Q thought it'd be a great idea for me to put this together, even though we've been utilizing Google Classroom all year, for the simple fact that every now and then we all need a friendly reminder, and this video will remind you and your parents and or guardians how to access Google Classroom. All right, let's begin. The first thing we will want to do is open up Google Chrome, and this icon right here is Google Chrome. From there, your Google page will appear online. You will drag your mouse cursor to the web browser, right where the G is, and you will type in gmail.com. That is spelled gmail.com. And then you'll hit enter. From there, this page will open up. Well, not quite, not this page. I want to open up this page. So, all right, my apologies. Once you type in gmail.com, this page will appear, and then you will type in your username. So you're going to you type in mine real fast. Then hit enter. From there, this page will appear, and you will type in your password. And then hit enter. Now, this page opens up. Now, there are a few different ways to access Google Classroom and your assignments. I'm going to show you a way that I love to use. I'm going to drag my mouse cursor to these 9 dots, which is right here. And I'm going to, this is the Google Apps tab. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to drag my mouse cursor to Google Classroom. Click on Classroom. Then this page will appear. Now, depending on what grade you're in, this over here, this line will say whatever grade you're in. So you could be first grade, second grade, third grade, fourth grade, or fifth grade. And then it will tell you also whatever your teacher's name is. You will then click on this button, and then this page will appear. Once this page appears, this is how you can access your classwork. I'm going to now drag my mouse cursor to the word classwork and click on classwork. And then, ta-da, this page then appears. Now, this is your subjects page under classwork. So this particular assignment that was assigned is a writing assignment. I'm going to drag my mouse cursor down here, and now you can see the date and the title of the assignment. The date is 12/11/2020, which is December 11th, 2020, and then the title is Black Wall Street. I'm now going to click on that, and then this drop down appears. This was posted at 9:57 a.m., and the instructions read, watch the video and read the articles using the links provided. Tell me 3 things you learned about Black Wall Street. Also, if you could own a business, what would you provide to your buyers? Why? So you will see 4 different options right here. Now, 3 out of the 4, 1, 2, and 3 are all hyperlinked sections. So if you click on, say you click on this one, you click on this, it'll hyperlink to the YouTube page. What we want to do is access this tab right here, which is Google Forms, and this accesses the assignments. I'm going to click on that. And then from there, you will see several different questions that you will complete. I'm not going to do so right now. I'm just going to show you how to submit your answers. So once you are done completing this assignment, you're going to go down to the submit button, hit submit, and then you will see your response has been recorded. So this is how you access Google Classroom, Google Classroom, and also access your assignments. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to inform your teacher. They will let me know, and I have no issue doing this over again. I hope you are remaining safe, and I cannot wait to see your familiar faces. Bye.